Students, today we will talk about rectangular components of a vector. When a vector, here we have a vector A vector, is resolved along two mutually perpendicular directions, the components so obtained are called rectangular components of a given vector. These two are rectangular components of a vector A vector. Now we have considered this vector A vector in xy plane. This is x axis, this is y axis. Now we'll draw a perpendicular from P to M along on x axis and Pn on y axis. Now according to here we got a parallelogram. Now according to parallelogram law of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition, what we can write, this OP vector is equal to the sum of these two sides, OM vector plus ON vector, or we can write, as this is AX vector and this is AY vector, we can write it as, and what is OP? It is A vector. A vector is equal to AX vector plus AY vector. Here AX is horizontal or X component of A vector and AY is vertical or Y component of A vector, and this AX and AY, these are scalar magnitude of, these are scalar magnitudes of AX vector and AY vector. ये इनके स्केलर मैग्नीट्यूड्स हैं. सो वी कैन राइट AX vector is equal to, this is scalar part, AX is scalar magnitude, and same AY vector is equal to AY j cap, or A vector is AY j cap. This equation is in terms of rectangular components. This is scalar part and this is directional part. If vector A makes an angle theta with x axis, यहाँ पे अगर ये एंगल थीटा है तो हम AX को वी कैन राइट AX इज इक्वल टू A cos थीटा. हमारे पास cos थीटा क्या होता है? बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस. सो here we can write AX is equal to A cos theta and AY will be A sin theta. As we know, sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we can write it as A cos theta and A sin theta. If this AX and AY are given, we can also find A and theta. How we can find? Squaring and adding these two, AX square plus AY square is equal to A square and sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to 1. So it will be equal to a square, and a is ax square plus ay square and this under root. Now as we know, tangent theta, it is equal to, it is perpendicular upon base, so we can write ay upon ax, or we can write theta is equal to tangent inverse ay upon ax. This is the value of theta and this is the value of a.